Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious mutton biryani. First, let us gather all the essential ingredients for this aromatic dish. You will need 1 kilogram of fresh mutton, cut into medium pieces, along with 3 cups of basmati rice, soaked for about 30 minutes. Ensure you have 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, fresh mint, and cilantro. We also need ginger garlic paste, creamy yogurt, and a variety of whole spices to build those incredible flavors. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The secret to tender and flavorful mutton biryani truly lies in a good marinade. Begin by combining your mutton pieces with 1 cup of thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a vibrant blend of powdered spices like turmeric, red chili, and coriander. Incorporate some chopped green chilies, fresh mint, and cilantro to brighten the flavors. Mix everything thoroughly, then let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. For the best results, consider marinating it overnight in your refrigerator. This ensures every piece of mutton is bursting with taste. Now, let us start building the foundational layers of our biryani. Begin by heating about 1/4 cup of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot and sauté 2 large, thinly sliced onions until they achieve a rich, golden brown crispness. Remove about half of these for garnishing later. Then, add the marinated mutton to the remaining onions and cook it over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the meat is partially cooked and the oil starts to separate. Simultaneously, parboil your soaked basmati rice until it is about 70% done, ensuring it retains a slight bite. Finally, it is time for the magical dum cooking process that makes biryani so special. Start by layering the partially cooked rice, followed by the rich mutton gravy, and then generously sprinkle with crispy fried onions and fresh mint leaves. Repeat these layers until all ingredients are used. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of saffron milk or a touch of food color over the top for that classic biryani appearance. Seal the pot very tightly, then cook on the lowest heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes before gently fluffing and serving your perfectly cooked mutton biryani. Enjoy this culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.